Hey yo, what's up my peoples? This is Inverse03 and today I'm going to show you what I did to save space for my Gunpla. The first thing I did was cut up all the boxes. I cut up everything, okay? Everything. So what I did was cut up the top side of the box, very nice, and cut out the side of the boxes to make labels for each of my future plastic bag collection, whatever I need it for. You need to save the two things. First of all, the side of the box where is the number and everything else is saved. Second off is the main art of the box. Ooh, nice. So these two things was really necessary. Now I will show you what I did with the in bottom parts. I cut off the side of the all the bottom parts, pick the biggest one since the width is same, this width. Then it was easy to just put them all together with little by little spaces, and by the time you have a working runner stand, the cheapest in the market. Yep. And the thing about best thing about this runner stand is you can just keep making it because you will buy the new kits. It will keep on increasing. So I made 4 small sections for bigger ones for bigger kits, and there you go. Here you have them. And this side part I am going to keep the extra parts for this. So nice, right? So you can just put this so you can just make this up and put another box, whatever you are working on, put the extra parts inside, close them up, and there you go. You have your work in progress DIY runner stand. Nice, right?